Silipin na natin ang ilan sa mga kapanapanabig na eksena. Game 6. Laban ng Ginebra, Rain or Shine. Lamang sa serye ang Ginebra, 3-2. Nakauna sila ng 4 na puntos dito bago biglang tumama si Adrian Locum para dito sa Rain or Shine.
Yeah, magandang first quarter ito. Tapos sa kabila naman, ito si Holt na libre, 3-point shot. Back-to-back actually yan eh. Pero yun, nakashoot rin siya. Kaya lumamang ulit at nadikit dito ulit ang Barangay Ginebra.
Jalen Johnson coming off a 22-point performance in Game 5. Had himself a nice start here. Mga outside jumper niya, tumatama.
Medyo today, tumatama. Tapos, to end that quarter,
It was Ron J, Dr. J. Magpapakita na naman para sa Barangay Ginebra.
ito pang-apply ito. Kaya tabla tayo at 22-all at the end of the first quarter.
Napakainit ng bakbakan dito sa Inares, Antipolo. Ginebra looking to book a finals ticket. Rain or Shine naman just looking to live to fight another game. Pagdating ng second quarter, dito na biglang nag-ingay ang Barangay Ginebra. Justin Brownlee down low at the post, lamang silang 5. Will step back with a JP special.
Well, pinabayaan nila to get to that position and look at all those fans there. JB had a very good game overall.
Pero si Kalen Johnson who came off the bench tonight will hit this 3. Hindi ganun kaganda yung efficiency pero yung mga timing ng tres niya kept Rain or Shine.
Percentage niya medyo mababa from that area.
How about this guy? Jeremiah Gray, nagustuhan mo yung short start.
Yeah, yung 5 points niya dito, dikit-dikit eh. Tsaka nakaka-offensive rebound, nakakatulong eh. Diba? Minutes to give your teammates some rest.
With
Good
Rain or
pass.
Shine down by 9, it was their captain, Gian Mamuya, who hit a 3.
He had one of his best nights, sayang. Not enough backup from his teammates.
Pero ang Barangay Ginebra behind RJ Abarientos will take the momentum heading into the locker room once again. It was a 38-point second quarter for Barangay Ginebra.
2:23, kaya 15 lamang at the end of the first half, no?
60-45 was the score. We pick up the action in the third with under 8.5 remaining in that frame. Jonard Clarido may panakanakang kontribusyon, not enough.
Yeah, you know, I think he has 7 points in the ball game, but that's not Jonard Clarita. Gives you 20, you know, gives you toughness.
Ang isang minamalas all semis-long was Anton Nasisio
Ito.
until he hit this 4.
Well, he played a hell of a game, but some fouls in the fourth quarter were useless.
And that cut their deficit to 4. It was at 5 with a minute and a half to go in the third.
Unstoppable itong combination ni Abarientos at ni Brownlee.
Tapos habang hindi pa nga 100% si Jamet at foul trouble si Troy, si Isaac Go, 2 ang dineliver para kay Coach Steve Go.
Isaac go together with Ralph Cook really gave them a lot of breathing room there in the third quarter.
Naka-40 nga sa quarter ni Rain or Shine pero 33 pa rin naman ang Ginebra. We pick up the action with 3:15 remaining in Game 6. Justin Brownlee galing kay RJ Barrientos.
Great feed. Actually, yung pasahan nilang dalawa talaga ang ganda panoorin.
Brownlee would finish with 31 points, 15 rebounds, 5 assists, and 2 steals. Pero Rain or Shine will refuse to go silently into the night. Gian Mamuya glides in for that layup, cutting their deficit to 8.
But this was the last straw here. Dito na nagkahiwalay-hiwalay.
Abarientos with a 3-point play opportunity. And that just put the game away. 30 puntos. Para dito kay RJ, samahan mo ba ng 6 na rebound, 7 assist at 3 steal? What a performance para sa paborito na manalo ng BPC. Hindi lang yung scoring, pati yung mga assist. No?
Yeah. Kaya nga yung kanilang pasahan ni Brownlee talagang magaganda.
And just before we end this, nakahanap ang Ginebra ng pandiin. It would be the 2021 MVP. Scotty will finish with 16 points, 6 rebounds, and 6 assists. Barangay Ginebra, pasok na sa finale.
Yeah, they're just gonna wait and probably will watch this for the following game. Tignan natin kung makakabalik pa ang Meralco o tatapusin na ng TNT.
Barangay Ginebra back in the finals. Nandiyan din sila. Last season, TNT ba makaka-rematch nila? O Meralco makaka-game 7 pa? 32nd finals appearance sa kanilang prangkisa para sa Ginebra. 118-107 your final score.